Okay, what do we have today?
So a few years ago, I went to an engineering magic show. And I know you probably haven't heard of this kind of thing before, but the engineer magician, he comes on stage, pulls out two capacitors, and says things like abracastaka and alacapacitor. Then he smashes them together into one stacked capacitor. Was it really magic? No. It was just a little sleight of hand to show us a Knoll Stecacap capacitor. Stecacap surface mount MLCCs feature a unique patented construction and Knoll's Flexicap terminations to deliver high CV in compact packages. The capacitors can replace film or tantalum capacitors to reduce weight and PCB area in applications such as power supplies or resonance tank and snubber circuits. Stecacap MLCCs are offered in case sizes from 1812 to 3640, covering capacitance values up to 5.6 microfarads and voltage ratings up to 2000 volts, with additional sizes in development. The capacitors have an X7R dielectric for stable operation up to 125 degrees Celsius, and AEC Q200 qualified variants are available.